Welcome to IBC 2018. We are here with Spiffy Gear with Eyal, and here's some nice, interesting looking light system.
Yeah.
It looks very modular.
It is.
Can you tell me more about it?
Yeah, absolutely. You're looking at the Spekular system. We wanted to create a modular lighting that you can do whatever shape you want it to be. This one is currently attached to a battery that I'm holding on myself. Dimmable, 5% to 100, very accurate. Very similar to daylight. CRI is 95 plus. Yeah, that's kind of all there is. And everything you see here fits in this small bag.
If you get the basic kit, what do you get?
Yeah, so a kit includes 4 of those. So those 3 and another one. AC system, those connectors to plug it, all the cables, connectors you need. In addition, you could purchase the expansion kit, and then it makes this a 3-light system, because then you can separate them. So you can use 2 as key light, another one is backlight, and another one is fill light. So that does kind of like an extra job, and it's pretty good price.
Funny thing about this video, it's also lighted by your product.
Yeah, that's true. You're looking at through the very large ring light that we attach here, and some more lighting from over there.
You get a ring light setup like this. It's 8 lamps, so you need 2 kits.
Just the 2 of the simplest kits, no extra needed. That's
so
it.
with just the 2 kits, you can build this ring light.
Yeah, that's it. That's all you need.
That looks really awesome.
Thank you very much.
Where can they find more information about the product?
Online, spiffygear.com. All the information is there.
And it's already on the market?
It is. It's just fresh on the market.
Very nice.
Yeah, thank you. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
Thank you, Eyal.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching.